Chenab, the river of love. The Chenab River was called a Sekne in early ages. The name means that it was said to have dark colored water. In the Mahabharata, the common name of the river is Chandrabhaga because the river is formed from the confluence of the Chandra and Bhaga rivers. It is a major river that flows in India and Pakistan and is one of the five major rivers of the Punjab region. It rises in the upper Himalayas in the Lahore and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh and flows through the Jammu region of Kashmir into the plains of Punjab, Pakistan, before flowing into the Indus River near the city of Uch Sharif. Sohni Mahiwal. Sohni Mahiwal is a tragic love story associated with River Chenab. Sohni was a daughter of a potter Tulha. At the time, Gujarat on the river Chenab was a caravanserai on the trade route between Bukhara and Delhi. Sohni had been using the ghada to cross the mighty river every day to meet her beloved. In the climax of this Punjabi folk story, one night Sohni crossed the Chenab river to meet Mahiwal, who was waiting for her on the other side. Her ghada began to melt in her hands. Her sister-in-law had replaced the earthenware pot with a vessel of unbaked clay, which dissolved in water, and she died in the whirling waves of the river. Now, the visit of Chenab is a journey that leaves one emotionally relaxed, and it is a need to form and nurture relationships. The cool wind holds you in thrall at your first visit. Subsequently, it keeps whispering in your ears to come back. You remember the blue sky of the day, the black cloak of the night embroidered with glittering stars, and the breeze dancing over the river in summertime. Its scents can leave you intoxicated. From the end of October to the beginning of April, gales carry away the leaves. This is the windy season in Punjab. These fragrant winds have an effect of their own, but it is the pleasant wind that enthralls you and does unto you what it does unto trees. Sometimes it leaves you blossoming with the color and vitality of spring, and at other times it brings to you the ashes of sadness in autumn. At the river bank, the boatman plays an important role to various types of visitors. Thus, a ride in boat is essential for the visitors to take the essence of Chenab. For their livelihood, these boatmen have been extensively depending on tourists, as scope for other work is inadequate for them. The entire boatman community is facing the problem of economic crisis in their livelihood. Most of the boatmen claim that during rainy season they become jobless as the water in the river floods. Even to shock, they remain without any passengers in some of the days during peak season as well. While they earn up to rupees 500 in a day in the summer months, earnings trickle down. In fact, the lack of government intervention has enlarged the vulnerability of boatmen community. Absence of government measures on education or health make more difficult the life of children and women of Boardman. A proper development scheme for improvement of socio-economic condition of the Boardman community should be taken by the government. Another opportunity for the tourist is horseback riding available at the river bank. The horse riding is healthy activity and loved by many people due to its predominantly recreational nature. Basically, this activity is for everybody, whether you're riding a horse for fun or for the sake of exercise or whatever you like to do.